You guys do a bonfire, it's hella smoke blowing someone's face.
Who you blowing?
You?
Show? Show? Can I be next?
I eat your ass next.
Get back to me on that one.
Treyway.
It's Hell Gang over Treyway.
Hell gang.
Treyway. Hey, who's on the top 100?